Hi, my name is Chris Matthieu, and I've been hacking on Node.js quite a bit lately. So I submitted a coupon request to one of those other Node.js hosting services, and I waited, and I waited, and a week went by, no coupon, so I decided to build my own open source Node.js hosting service or platform called NodeFu. And NodeFu is licensed under Apache 2. All the source code's on GitHub. And here's the site. So I'm going to take you on a quick spin. So we have a coupon too. You just want to make sure that we can get people on adequately and grow the service. Promise we won't be stingy though. We want to be very much like the Heroku for Node.js. You basically, the whole site's driven on APIs. You basically create an app and push it via GitHub. And it's up, it runs. It's like one or two steps, exactly like Heroku. So let me show you how it works. So you'll need a coupon. So first go ahead and grab this URL. The site there's not a whole lot going on the site right now. It's all about the API. The whole site is the API. So you'll see a bunch of curl statements here to interact with the RESTful API. So let's copy that. Let's open up our command window. Let's change, I guess, I haven't created that email address yet, but that's a good one for me, Chris@NodeFu. So you just hit enter. Boom. Bow to your sensei. Your coupon has been submitted. Success. So everything's JSON based that comes back, so that's pretty cool. So if you want to look at the API, it's all here on the API tab. There's the coupon, there's the status, so you can see well, so let's run the status. Tells us all services are up and 137 Node.js apps are running on NodeFu. So there's all the information on how to create a user account once you have a coupon, how to delete your account, how to create apps, change apps, and delete apps, and then information on how to build it during using Git. So I've created a little registration form. It's just kind of a front end for the API. So I'm not going to tell you what the coupon is yet. So I'll say, let me create one. I might have one under Chris. Let's see. And my public key is for our RSA public key is for GitHub. So if you copy and paste that little line, it grabs your RSA public key that you can paste in here. Send it, and success. So now I have an account that I can use, a NodeFu, and that's pretty much it. So let's create an app. If we come down here to the app create, we can grab this little line here. Let me drop it in this editor here. So we're going to change this. We're going to say it's Christopher, and I did use password 123, so I'll keep that. And I'll say I'll call this my app video, and I'll keep it hello. I mean keep it app or whatever. And it's a post command. So let's go ahead and oops, that's supposed to be a curl. So let's go ahead and curl this on the command line. Very cool. So that successfully created us an app running on port 8137. So let me go ahead and just copy this so we don't lose sight of that. So now let me go ahead and create an app. So we're going to create one called Node Video, which is basically the screencast. So now we're going to cd to Node Video. We're going to make an app since we called it hello.js. We're going to create an app called hello.js. So that's the starting app that NodeFu is going to look to run. And let's go grab the little demo off of Node.js.org, the hello. So we paste that here. Now we have to update the port. That's going to be important. So it's port 8137. And we'll change it on the listen. That's it. So now on our directory, we'll do a git init. Yep, it's happy. So then we do a git add dot happy, git commit message initial commit happy. Now we had to add a remote. So we'll do a git remote add NodeFu and the name of the repo, which it gave us back when we created the app. So it's all of this. Git repo name. Paste that in there. That's happy. Now we do a git, let me clear the screen. We do a git push NodeFu master. That's happy. And the app is live. That's all it took to build a Node.js app and push it to NodeFu. So let me show you. So we called it, what do we call it? We called it video. So I mean, if video was already taken, it would have not given us a success on the crate. So all we do is we go to NodeFu and we open our app at video.nodefu.com. Kind of very much Heroku-esque. Hit OK. Bam! Hello world. That is our app running here. Respond with a header 200. Hello world. Bow to your sensei. That's NodeFu.